Hey everybody, my name is Michael McDowell. I wanted to spend a little bit of time talking to you today about our virtual services and what we provide within our virtual services work. A couple things that we do is we provide keynotes to large audiences. We did this starting during COVID, and we had hundreds of people that would get on a call, and we would go through work around our three key pathways. One, teaching for rigorous learning pathway, one, our rigorous PBL by design pathway, and one is associated with our leading for rigorous learning pathway. And we can provide keynotes. We are able to provide full day and partial day workshops where we might work with certain grade levels in certain periods of time, or we might work with the whole school if you have a whole day where we can do this work. I'll often do that kind of work with international clients or clients where I just can't meet because of inclement weather or just because it's cost prohibitive, that we'll meet and we might do a full day of professional learning or multiple days, or we might be doing that with the whole staff or with smaller groups to be able to address sub challenges that we all face. And we also provide virtual coaching. This could be hourly coaching, it could be partial day, it could be full day. We do a lot of executive coaching, a lot of coaching with professional learning communities to be able to address specific challenges and opportunities to refine our practices. We are also in the process of developing some asynchronous courses and programs that you'll see within our website in the next few months, and that may also be an option. But if you want to do some synchronous work with us, just send us an email, give us a call. You can go onto our website and learn more about our virtual services pathways. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about our in-person work, there's a video on that as well, and you can also find that on our website. Thanks, everybody.